So today we're going to be doing a valve cover gasket on a 2007 Mini Cooper S, the R56. I just did this valve cover recently when I did the timing chain kit, and you can see how it's leaking on top. It's not leaking at the seal, it's just leaking in weird places like there. And when you have the engine running and you try to pull off this cap, there's so much suction that you can't even pull it off. So all signs lead to the PCV valve, which can only be replaced by replacing the whole valve cover. So this is what I have. Comes with a gasket. Got it on eBay for like 40 bucks. I figured it's worth a try, so here we go. All right, let's start by pulling these coils out. So boom, boom, already did these. And then just a snug pull. I keep them all in order. Satisfying. Next, this little tab here, squeeze and pull. Here, just kind of pull up on these, pull that out, set that to the side, and then all this wiring comes out. Boom, boom. Next, looks like we're gonna get an 8, and then I'll have a 10 handy. We won't use that yet. This can come off. That. All right, good old 8. Set that in a safe spot. Pull that off. So, just squeeze those together like that, and then that comes up and pulls out. I will actually just put this to the side. And then next we're gonna get these loose here. Just kind of pull up. Let me grab my trusty needle nose. Pull that up. Set that to the side. And then I'm gonna switch my 8 for my 10. So I'm gonna start by loosening everything, leaving them in their places. By the way, I do not recommend tightening with these, or tightening the bolts with this. So before I remove the valve cover, I'm just going to take this piece of charge pipe tube off because it's kind of in the way here, and I want to have room to work. So I'm going to pop her out like that. All right, so the fun part. All my bolts are loose. Pull it up, nice and easy. And I'm just gonna go set this on a flat surface for a second. Next, I'm gonna get set up to start cleaning. All right, so I've got a red rag here, and I'm just gonna start wiping the surface. Take a look around, make sure everything looks good. Get the gasket maker cleaned up from there. Got a little bit more to go. A little bit there. And when this goes back together, you'll do a dab there, a dab there, and that should be all that you have to do. Okay, so Everything's clean. Got those corners. Oop, I gotta get that little spot. The back is good. So my final step is gonna be this. I just like to go either around with alcohol or this. This stuff is amazing. Like, I use it for so many things now, but basically just want to go around just once. I try to use the least abrasive stuff as possible, because you really don't want to dig into the metal on your heads. And now look at it, it's perfect. Okay, cylinder head cover to cylinder head, 10 Newton meters, along with the ground cable. So, okay folks, here we go. It'll be there. It'll be there. So my cover's on. What I'm gonna start doing now is just getting the bolts not even snug, just all the way down. And then I believe there is a tightening sequence, so we are gonna follow that. But yeah, I'm gonna get these bolts ready to go. Start here in the back. I always go like around 2 or 3 times. 2, and then 3, 4. So obviously everything in reverse order. I did have to swap a few things over, like this sensor here with that 8mm bolt. I had to swap this piece on there, so y'all have to take that. I did change the O-ring on that and that. That's the same torque as the other ones, 10 Newton meters. Hook your charge pipe back up. Your coils, double check everything. And I don't start mine right away. I wait until the RTV dries, but in this case I'm about to go home, so I'm just gonna let it sit overnight, let everything dry, because I don't want to risk any leaks. And then in the morning I'm gonna hook my battery cable back up and give her a shot. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and hopefully you learned something, or hopefully it helped you. Thank you.